Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our S9 Ultra smartwatch, and this is a continuation review of our first unboxing review of the smartwatch. So the first video was all about specs and design. So this time we are going to check on the menus of this wearable. Okay, so let's check it out. If you have any questions regarding this video demo, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's check. Okay, as you can see here, we try the other strap. Okay, the nylon strap. Then again, let's take a look at the design of the smartwatch. Okay, so far it looks good. Okay, it's a 49 millimeter smartwatch. Okay, so it is an affordable smartwatch but with a much better design. Okay, real lock strap here and screws. Okay, on the menu, so let's check it out. So we have here the watch face. Okay, if you want to check the watch face, just scroll here. If you want to change, just use the rotary button. Okay, on top, swiping from top to down, we do have the notifications. As you can see, it's null because we still haven't paired it with the support app. On the left side, still watch faces. On the right side, it is still watch faces. On the bottom part, we have the quick settings. Okay, so the crown button, if you want to access the menus, just press this one. And we have the different menus. This is the return button for this one, the pill-shaped button here. So this one, the orange action button, is the dedicated sports function. Okay, again, let's access the different menus. Okay, so we have a dialer, the phone book. Okay, we do have a heart rate, blood oxygen. Okay, health tricyclic. We have an ECG feature. Then we have sports, we have camera, blood pressure, we have music control, reset, weather, looking for or anti-lost, we have sleep, we have menu style. Let's check on the menu style. We have at least 5 menu styles. Okay, we have message notifications, we have stopwatch, QR code, okay, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp notifications, and calculator. In the more section, we have Siri, we have about, set language. Okay, you can set multiple languages. Go back again, more, set time, backlight time. Let's check. Okay, let's use the 1 minute. Okay, and we have the go back time. You can set the date here. Okay, so you can adjust the date. Set time. What else do we have? A digital here? No, we don't have. Okay, so I guess you have to download the app and pair it and download additional watch faces. For the sports function, okay, so let's check for the sports. So you have running, bike riding, strength training, basketball, tennis, volleyball, and football. Okay, so these are the sports. Again, running, biking, riding, strength training, basketball, tennis, volleyball, and football. For running, so it monitors for the time, beats per minute, calories, distance, and steps. Okay, go back. So for the heart rate, let's check. Okay, so the same UI with our S8. Okay, so it's seems like just have the same UI here with the previous smartwatches, but there's a big improvement on the design, obviously, as well as I think it's much faster right now compared to the first one. Okay, menu style, we have at least 5. Style 1. Okay, the bubble style or honeycomb, they call it honeycomb also. Style 2, I think that is the least style. Okay, go back. Style 3, let's check. Okay, the grid style. Style 4. Okay, so rotating menu. Style 5, the same. Okay, but with a bit different setup. And that's it. Okay, we have at least 5 style. Okay, we don't have a split screen menu. Okay, but we have also an ECG here. Okay, music control, we have an ECG function, weather, notifications, QR code. Okay, you can scan this. You'll need a user manual just to pair with the Smart Audio Support app to download. Just scan the QR code and it will lead you to a page where you can pick whether iOS or Android platform. We do have support for Siri. So here we do have the model, the S9 Ultra. We have option 2, power off. Let's check the blood pressure. I want to see the UI. It is just the same or not. Blood pressure. Okay, the same UI for the blood pressure. Okay. Do have reset, sleep, Facebook. So this one is for the notifications. We have calculator. What else do we need to explore? More serious, set language, stopwatch. We have music control, phone book. Okay, you can synchronize it with the use of the support app. We have dialer, and of course the camera here. Okay, on the bottom part, so this one's for the Bluetooth music. Okay, this one, I think this one is to, okay, black calls, I think. This one, okay, airplane mode. Maybe this is the sleep function here. I'm going to check it. We have the QR code, and this one we have the health tricycling, the overall activity here. Okay, so that's it. Very simple menus. Okay, so far when it comes to the menus and features, nothing has changed compared to the S8 Ultra smartwatch. But when it comes to design, okay, and the looks, there's a big difference. This one, it looks much closer to the original. Usually S8 Ultra smartwatches and other, okay, wearable in the watch ultra clone category for affordable smartwatches do have the 45mm version, and they have a fake, okay, watch strap here, or lock strap and screws. So this one, okay, it push it to another level, much better looking. Okay, it looks like the premium version for the watch ultra clone smartwatch. Okay, and the S9 Ultra here smartwatch, okay, it comes with additional straps, not just one, okay, but 2 free smartwatches or straps, okay, aside from the strap here. So we have a silicone strap, a mesh strap, and we have the nylon strap. Okay, so that's it for our S9 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this wearable, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.